Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna show you how to make this beautiful mug decoration and how to make this beautiful frame for Father's Day. Let's start with the mug decoration first. This is the easiest one to do and it's really simple. But before that, let me show you what we made last year for our father. We made this beautiful mug decoration and we also made this cactus pad. First is what we did was we decorated the mug by writing on it I love dad at one side. Can you see it? Yeah. And on the other side we wrote my daddy is my hero with some drawings of a cactus or a smiley on the handle. And then what we did was we took a cork pad and then we used air dry clay to make the two cactuses and we painted them dark green. And we also took a pebble and wrote on the smiley and also decorated that green. Now for this mug decoration we have to take masking tape, scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. And we also need paint. I'm gonna use glass paint, but you can use any paint you want except for watercolors because those don't work. First I'm gonna write I love dad on the masking tape. Okay, once I'm done now, I'm gonna cut it and now I'm gonna stick the letters on the mug. Now I'm gonna take this paint and then I'm gonna use a sponge to dab the paint on the mug. Now I'm gonna carefully remove the tape once the painting is done. See, it's really beautiful and fantastic. I have painted the entire mug like that. Next we're gonna make this beautiful frame. First we need a cardboard with a breadth of 6 inches or 15 centimeters and length of 8 inches or 21 centimeters. Now we have to leave 1 inch gap from the end of the cardboard to draw an inner border. And after that we have to draw another border in which we will be writing I love dad. Then we gotta cut it out and then we have to apply the masking tape. Okay, now it's done. I have cut out the letters I love dad and I have applied masking tape over the entire frame. Now for the painting, I did not have light blue, so I'm gonna mix dark blue and white. I want to give it an ocean type of look, so I'm gonna make it like this with shadings of light and dark blue. And now I'm gonna write I love dad with black marker, and then after that I'm gonna apply on it some glitter glue to give it some shine. I'm gonna only add a little glitter glue on the heart to give it a shiny color after painting it red. Now I'm gonna paint it red. Now it's done. Next I'm gonna stick some shells. And also this is a dried flower. This is a dried real flower. So this is how I'm gonna stick it, but before that I'm gonna stick this film behind the frame. For that I'm gonna take an A4 size film, fold it in half, and then use hot glue gun to stick 2 of the 3 sides. You see, I'm sticking 2 of the 3 sides. I'm gonna leave the top side open. I'm gonna stick it. Now it's done. I'm gonna stick it behind the frame like this. Now it's done. As you can see, I have left the top part open, and now I'm gonna use construction paper. I choose brown because it will look good behind it, and I'm gonna stick it behind the frame like this. And I've also added support. See, this is how it looks. It's really fantastic. I like the way it turned out. It's a perfect gift for your father on Father's Day. And thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. See you all later. Bye.